narinig ko? That you're proposing to promote Shari as COO of Velma Beauty?
Velma, Miss Sandoval will be retiring in 1 month. Mababakante yung kanyang posisyon. So I think Shari will be perfect for that position. She's smart, she's young, she's creative, and more than anything, her followers love her. Bakit ka kumukontra? She will be your successor to your throne.
Last month lang, sinabi niyo na wala siyang hatak sa masa. Ngayon, you're vouching for her as COO?
Well, I'm just telling you what I think of her now that she's perfect for that position.
Hindi. Buhay pa ako. Andito pa ako. Walang papalit sa akin.
Calm down.
Maria Armani?
What did you say?
Ann? What are you doing?
See? See? Isn't she weird? And you want her to run this beauty empire? A simple board meeting like this, hindi pa nga niya magawang maayos? Ano? Aantayin pa ba natin hanggang may mangyari sa kanya before we do anything about her?
I agree with Velma. We can't just promote Shari to COO. It's not that simple. But I do agree with the chairwoman. Shari is one to consider for the position. Might I recommend having Shari and her team undergo training? Yes? Great. That settles it.
Velma, you understand that the board has made their decision. Shari will undergo her training now as the new COO for this company, and Noreen will be part of the team. I hope you're open to that idea.
Miss Velma, are you okay? Parang wala kayo sa sarili niya.
Velma? Velma? Naintindihan mo ba ako? Velma?
Yes. But I don't want to deal with this nonsense right now.
Please, Velma. Huwag mong dali ang mga problema mo dito sa opisina. Or maybe this is a good sign that maybe you should take a break, or better yet, step down from this position. Kung hindi mo kayang patakbuhin itong company ito, I think you should just say so para makahanap tayo ng kapalit. Marami dyan.